Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me for another video. So I am back. I just had a little accident. I am glad to be back. I haven't been able to walk up or down the steps. So that's why I haven't done anything these past 2 weeks, I believe. But I'm feeling a lot better. So we're back for another video. I'm going to show you the dry results from my previous video. I had not seen it, so this is the first time I'm looking at it now that I came downstairs to my art room. And I am going to show you how beautiful it turned out. I was really shocked because I didn't think these colors would work, but they actually did. So I'm going to show you the painting, and here it is. Check out how beautiful this turned out. It dried very nice. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. Look at it. How gorgeous is that? Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Look how gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed this one. It was a shocking piece. Today, we are going to be working. I can't believe Christmas is already here. For real. I can't. I'm still trying to catch up. So, I am going to be working on a smaller canvas only because I want to test these colors out. I am working on an 8 by 10 inch canvas. Tiny but mighty. I am going to be flooding with titanium white by artist Loft. And you'll see the color combination. There are Christmas color palettes that I'm going to be using for the rest of these couple of videos. 3-4 videos left for the month of December. So I can't wait to get back to this. Let's go down to the canvas. Okay, so we're down here. It is a smaller canvas because I'm testing the color palette, but I am not going to cut the flooding of the canvas out. Okay, I'm not editing that out because it's a small canvas. So I'm gonna go ahead and flood it. And like I said, we are using titanium white by artist Loft. I just want to use this little bit of paint that I have left in this container. I have to mix up more paint. My black is out, my white is out. But I have another container here. Oh, no. I saw something fall right in it. No. I saw something. Something fell right in it, and a piece of dry paint fell right in there. That I do want to take out because when it dries, it's going to come up and show up. But I guess we'll wait. Let me get my torch. Give me a moment. I don't know where I left my torch today. Okay. So we're gonna torch this out just to pop the air bubbles. And you see there's dry paint chips. You gotta be careful with these. Okay, so I'm using my travel size hair dryer, setting it to low. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, getting that glare from the lights. Let me put it here, there. Torch out a little more. Okay, now we're gonna do our colors. So I am starting with Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor and Newton. And I said it is a Christmas inspired color palette. And I'm gonna start right over here. Just like that. I don't have a lot of space, so I am going to kind of go down the center here at an angle. Next I have Garnet by DecoArt. I love this color. It's like a raspberry or plum color. Very light-handed because DecoArt takes over. Next I have Vivid White by Pebeo. So a little bit of white just to lighten up this color. This is giving me an idea. Next color I have Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. I love this green. I think I say that every time I use it. Love this green color. Okay. And last I have Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. I think I want to add a little bit of the Pearl Green by Amsterdam before we're done here with the colors. So Pearl Green by Amsterdam. I'm going to just add a smidge of this at the top. Okay. Those are my colors. I put a little bit down because it's a small canvas. I'm torching it out once again. And now we're going to blow it out. Pretty is that? Love it. I'm gonna use my finger just to come in here and soften this petal edge. Gorgeous. Wow, I'm super happy. Take a look at the cells developing in here. Love the reaction right in here and right in here. The center is a little straight. That's okay because it's a small canvas. I didn't want to do too much. But definitely, I'm happy with the color combination. I'm going to blow it out right in here a little more, just so that it falls over the corner. I'm going to try to, right in here. Just like that. I'm bringing it down with my finger. Okay. Okay, so I am not going to do anything else to this. I love the way this color combination works. Let me clean it up. I'll bring it down for a close-up. Okay, everyone. So here we are. And look how beautiful this is turning out. I love it. Love the cells popping up. We're going to start on this corner. And take a look how those colors just look beautiful together. Check out the clusters of cells in white. That has to be the paint. It's okay. Maybe the Vivid White by Pebeo. And look how it fans out. Love these pink cells. And love that subtle garnet. How it just turned a pinkish lighter color with that white. Love it. Love the streak of pearl, permanent green and the lime green, the chartreuse down the middle. And look here. Look at that crazy webbing and the cells. Look at the border here. Beautiful colors. This is a different reaction than the other side. Love it. Tell me what you think about this one. Check that out. Look at that webbing. Absolutely gorgeous. This probably is my favorite part of this petal right here. Love how all the colors are showcased. Tell me what you think about this beauty. It is a little tester piece, but nonetheless gorgeous. Just in time for the holidays. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Continue to watch and support my channel. I appreciate you all very much. Thank you for watching Float Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.